Hey guys, it's Halloween time. I'll be cruising through HomeGoods to showcase their Halloween decorations and get you in a spooky mood with their tabletop decor, linens, and serveware. Let's get started. This wood bucket with the back cut out looks so gorgeous. Can you picture this in a dark entry with just an LED candle inside? I thought many of their items had a lot of detail. I really feel HomeGoods this year went a little extra. So many interesting items, especially if you're having a get together and you want to set a mood. Oh, I thought this candle holder was so cool looking. Yeah, I thought she was pretty creepy. But look how fun, she lights up. Oh, I really love this spider pillow. I thought it was done so well. The light blue pumpkin has an LED light with a timer. The ghosts also have their own LED light with its own timer. How about this one for your coastal home? Isn't it perfect? I think that's Elvis. Oh, this pineapple's very interesting. These metal buckets are giving off Pottery Barn vibes. Pottery Barn's smallest one is $20 and their largest one is $59, which is not nearly as large as this one. Grab this one when you find it. Wayfair has a similar cutting board for $59.99. I love this tablecloth by Tahari, and you can use it for Halloween or Thanksgiving. Here they have some really interesting placemats. If you're enjoying this video, please hit like and subscribe so you never miss anything. They had some really cute napkin rings, all for about the same price for a set of 4. I love all the unique coastal runners that they had for Halloween. This one is full on coastal with the flamingos and palm trees. Here in the mix is a really classic one for Thanksgiving. This is a gorgeous marble piece and heavy. Give your kitchen a Halloween spark with these really cute kitchen towels. They even have one in Spanish that says Hola Otoño. Halloween salt and pepper shakers. Please hit like, share this video, and subscribe so you never miss any walkthroughs. See you next time!